money, big money coming in right at you. Okay, we've got the 10 of Pentacles followed by the 6 of Pentacles. If you have been waiting on some money to come, or just an opportunity for some money to come flowing into your life, this is it. This is the divine saying, we want to give to you. We want to bring to you what you've either always wanted, what you deserve. Now, how it's coming in, I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look, because this could come in through marriage, through family. This could come in through hard work. So let's take a look and see, but you definitely have the alignment here to finances. Yes, you are aligning perfectly, okay? So the balance is right at the moment. New cycle starting. Let's see where this money is coming from. You. Whatever you do, whatever doors you open, that is where your finances are coming from, this big boost. You've been manifesting this. So the Magician is always about your thoughts, your actions, everything that comes from within you. So anything that you've kind of been umming and ahhing about, thinking about, trying to kind of bring together here, it's now about to come in. See, there we have the Star as well. Look at these. We have Queen of Wands, the Empress, all of these scream money, 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 okay? And if you're sitting pretty as the Empress and the Queen of Wands, then you are in a good position in life, male or female. This is just where finally you're at peace with finances, okay? I feel as though we have opportunities coming in. There's been lots of worry and lots of concerns about this, but with the moon energies there, it's almost like you know this is coming. You wanted this to come. You knew that this was going to be where you'd end up, but there's been fear. And now we're stepping out of the fear. There's fear again. We've got the fear factor coming in, but look what's behind it, death. So we're transforming into a new version of ourselves, and this new version sits in the Empress position, which means everything you've ever wanted is coming. So a luxury life, a nice lifestyle. If you have been wanting a job, then we have the job opportunity coming in. This is always representative of work. We've also had the Queen of Wands again. So it's the creative side of you, it's the go-getter side of you, the bold version of you, confident. This is the job itself, and this is the final judgment. So this is the job you've always dreamed of, the opportunity you've always wanted. If you're self-employed, this would be collaborating with somebody, a business deal coming together, something that brings you the riches that, you know, are the kind that you dream of, the kind that are in reach, but they're in that further reach. So I feel as though we're moving into this energy, look at you, where your strength is at an all-time high, and we need to stay in that focused, confident space in order to get everything that we want. Spiritually, stay aligned. Spiritually, tell them what you want. Make sure it's very clear. Well, look at that on the top of the other deck there. It says unexpected outcome. That's you shocked at the outcome of this, shocked at what can actually come together with this. Put in the hard work, and look at that. Put in the hard work, and there are your results. The champion, success, achievement, everything that you could dream of is within reach, and it's coming in now.